Hello everyone, I am Pratik Patil. This is Khawpio.com, a food order online web application. So let's move. Table of contents, abstract. The project is based on MERN. The project idea is normal food order web application, but it's kind of different from every other food order applications available in the market. It includes all the modules like sign up, sign in, profiles, card, payments, etc. It also includes reviews and ratings of all the restaurants which are stored in the database, and a user can see the restaurant's reviews and ratings and order the food item. The entire project is done under the guidance of mentors of Webstack Academy, Bangalore. The project is done on a great scale. It was a fantastic experience. The food ordering is getting on a high demand as everyone is busy. There are social issues like traffic, so it gets difficult just to go physically visit the restaurant and take the order. Instead, we can just order it online on our network device like phone and laptops. So it requires less time and it is a hassle-free solution to the food ordering. It also helps us to avoid the misconceptions, misunderstandings while ordering the food via phone call or any other way. Even we can check the what exactly order is being placed, so we get to know what we have ordered or we have not made a mistake. Payment is done online, so there is just no need of cash. Just you need to carry a cash. You can order it from anywhere, even if you don't carry a cash in your pockets. This project objectives to make food ordering easy and quick. Why do we need this project? Exactly, that is when we do a phone call to a restaurant. If we are giving some orders and if the person on that side and misunderstands the order and just provides some wrong order and deliver it to our home or deliver it to some other address which he might be mistakenly listened and just noted it down. So this can be occur in this manual systems, but in this online ordering it is completely avoided. A customer can do a wide research on the restaurants available on the applications and what restaurants, what items are getting and what quality they are getting it at the best prices. It will help to order different food items from different restaurants at the same order time. That is, you don't need to multiply order the food products from different restaurants, which is a unique thing. Just select the items from the different restaurants you want and just make a payment and that's it. It will be that order is placed. The requirements for the project. The project is based on MERN technology, so we will need a node version should be more than that is newer versions that is more than 8.10 npm that is node package manager more than 5.2 version. We also need MongoDB and Mongo Compass GUI, just a basic command to start with to create the reactor. We will need a Mailtrap account for the mail services to be received for a developer for testing of all the modules like forward password and reset password mails. Stripe developer account for the payments as we will going to integrate the payment module. So we will be integrating it with the help of Stripe account. Now comes the methodology, how the exactly application works. The application is just simple. It starts on the home page with the restaurants available on the application. You can go through all the restaurants one by one, clicking on it. And when you click on the restaurants, you move to the next page where you get the menu at the restaurant which is available, or they serve the dishes or the items in that restaurant. You can see just starters, main course, beverages, desserts, whatever restaurant is providing. Place order. Just we need to have a login in the application, and if we are not a user or we are new to the system, just we need to register into the system. The app, the option is provided there. We just need to register and re-log in, and we will move to our account. Just even we have a forgot password option available in case if any one of us don't remember the password. User can view the profile, you can edit it, you have the avatars, that is profile pic, you can change it any times and any number of times. And you can also get, when you have joined, you get the joining date to the system, and you can edit your name, email address, avatars, etc. User should add the items to the cart, place orders. How it can be, he can just simply search on the search bar the food item name, and he will be receiving the list of it. Just like if I search pizza, I will get all the restaurants with the pizzas available, and you can just go through that restaurants and just check its menus one by one. Payment is done online. So very first thing, we need to add a particular item to the cart with a specific quantity of that each item we are adding to the cart. So we will, when we will add to the cart, we will just uh, proceed to the next page, that is address. We will fill out the details, then we will move to the next step, confirm order. Just you will be shown a page with all the food items you have ordered, with the quantities, and you will get the details of like charges, delivery charges, taxes, your basic, the food items amount, and the total amount to be paid. You can just go through all the information and move to the next, that is payment. In the payment, just you need to put the card details, card expiry, and CVV, just like we do regular. Just click on the payment, and the exact amount will be uh, just transaction is proceeded, which is being carried. No need to just enter any or fill the amount manually. The only required amount is transaction is proceeded. So that's it. You get the confirmation whether the payment is done, and when the payment is done, you can see, you can go to the orders. In the order section, you can see what, from what restaurant you have ordered, what item you have ordered, with the number of item count. You can see the each order specific details. If I have ordered two different items from two different restaurants, I can see each order separately with a specific uh, button provided there. We will move in. We will see in the upcoming project prototype. This is the system architecture. This is basically user has ability to search, user has the authorization to see the reviews, ratings, and all of the things. You can see on the other side, you, if he is a new user, he has it, he can log in, log out, view orders, profile edition can be done, card is being able to see by the user, payment can be done, and all things are saved in the database. So everything is in the control and everything is being stored. So no need to worry about the internship. Internship at Webstack Academy was really the great experience. The internship under the mentors helped me to create a full stack web application with just like payment integration module, which is the most demanding feature in the this 20 days. It started from the basics, just like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and moved towards more advanced and core concepts with related steps with deep understandings. The problem solving was enjoyable as the number of errors I have encountered, I used to solve it, and it was a really great experience. Mentors were helpful at every steps. Discussion forum was one of the main tool between the mentor and an intern to reach out to the mentors and the intern. Just whenever I encounter some errors, I just take the files which I've been facing the errors and problem statement and just club it together and pushed it on a discussion forum, and the mentors used to give replies and give the solution for my problem statements or errors I've been facing. And I just used to get the solution from the mentors and I can easily solve it. It was really nice. The experience was great. Replies were quick. Even I learn from various. Whenever I used to encounter some small errors, I just used to go through the forum. Some of the other interns used to face the same issue, and the I can see the mentors reply to their problems, and just I can work on it from on my end, and I used to get the same best results. I can used to able to solve the errors and problems, and just I like the more was forum. Discussion forum was the greatest tool. The internship goals. The concepts were taught from basics, so it was not very difficult at the advanced levels that we I was facing problems from basics. As basics were clear, I was able to understand the advanced concepts of MERN technologies. MERN technologies are more in demand and the need for a web developer. So just it can be easier. I was able to learn it. Uh, the problem solving skills just by clearing errors while developing the project was fabulous. I was able to enrich my problem solving skills, which I will it will be helpful for my further coding journey. The internship gave me the experience of being a full stack developer. It gave me experience to be to create a back end, front end connections, and all the other things in the project. It the also the goal of the one of the goal of the internship was to make the interns just like me to create or to get the logics to build high skill projects, make my programming skills more better. Creativity at UI side, as UI is one of the greatest side of the project, because when you see it you get interest when you see it. So if you have the best UI, you will get the best experience of the backend, because UI makes a great difference if your project is have the great UI. Abstraction of data was the best. The user won't get the unnecessary data or unnecessary information at the UI part. The required data is shown perfectly and everything was great. Data management techniques uh, were the best, and I've learned how to manage the data perfectly, just collecting the data from the backend and printing it on the UI side were the best. The more important data or the required data is only generated on the client server and nothing unnecessary is generated to the client server. The overview project name is howto.com. As I've told you earlier, the problem was food ordering is has the should be has a list uh, on phone call, time taken for personal visit to make the food order experience has a list and online deliverables. One can order any items from restaurants. These are some of the snapshots of the actual product, actual prototype of the project. This is the home page, landing page of the project. I've tried to make some edits or create some images at the background so it will be some kind of different UI because I like to be a front end developer and I try to make some more attractive colors because it's full, it's tempting. So it should be the great color. Dull colors won't make it attractive and that's it. This is the login system. Email, password, forgot password, login button. Under it you can see a new user. These are the menus. When you click on some specific restaurants, at upper corner you can see some profile is being logged in. Cart is zero, so there is nothing in the cart now. You can see the profile. You can see the full name, email address, joined on, edit profile option available, avatar, that is the profile of. You can see the orders the person or the profile has ordered some time before or day before. You can see the amount, the restaurant's names, the ordered items, number of items, one, two, processing, status, order date, actions, action button. When you click on the action buttons, you get the order details. You can see this, that is name, phone number, address, amount, entire with the order, unique order ID, order status, order items with the order items details, rupees 80, number of quantity of the item. Right? This is the actual product. You can see these are the some of my files. This is the back end. This is the front end. These have actions, components, cards, CSS, layouts, orders. You can see all folders. These are some of the JS files. These are the constants folder. These are the reducers. These are the app.js. We have done a routing. So I'm on the home page of the project. These are the count of the restaurants, 8 restaurants. When we click on the PRH, it becomes 2 because 2 are available for PRH. These are the sort by reviews. So all are sorted on number of reviews, sort by ratings. All are the sorted on number of ratings. So let's move to the logins. Here is forward password option. In case if you forgot a password, here is the new user. We have this details to fill out. Just fill out the details such as admin, just as I will click my and internet gmail or com password. of that, I've clicked this click, I will register. I've been there. See my new avatar, my name, my profile. You can see John Byrne 8 10 23 full name, my Gmail address. I can edit from here. Okay, so I will be going on the home. Just click on the logo. Here you have search option, pizza. Just move again. It is empty, so I will order something. You can go on pizza. You have to add to the cart with the specific quantity. You can see items have been added to the cart. Let's move to the cart. Two items with this number of quantities. You can decrease it, increase it. You can delete it. You can increase it. Just go. Just I will fill 03. Right. Right. It's medicine by 45. And we will be selecting the country, India. And we will be moving. See, we have completed address, we have completed the confirm order. This is the confirm order page. If we move to the payments, we are on the payments, which I will put the card numbers and I've entered the card number. I will enter the card expiry and card CV. Just click on the payments. You can see my card number is 1. As the payment is done, it will be 0. It is 0 now. Just move to the go to orders. I have successfully placed the order. Just move to the orders. You can see I've ordered a pizza from Pizza Hut. Number of items 1. You can see amount, processing, order date, there is action number. I can see the entire order ID and the delivery info, just my name, phone number, address, amount, payment, status, order items. You can see everything is being done, and which I will go back again and just check the project. And even I have logged out, even I have forgot password. If I enter my caption, I have forgot password. The mail will be receiving on the mail trap. Just check. I have received this. Now I will show the payment which have been done. Now see, we have done 835.8 rupees transaction on 8th of October at 2 p.m. So we have done it and we have received the payment. So this is the try thing. Conclusion. The internship was a really great experience, and working on project was full of learnings of core concepts and technologies like MERN. The project involves conceptual programming and do logic building and problem solving skills more perfect. As a full stack development helps you to be a perfect at both back end and front end, and just interns and learners like me help us to find out the niche in the back end or front end. I will be telling I would be like to the front end developer because I have found that I like to make the UI part more attractive, and it is the challenging task. just like the backend, because at backend you require logic. Mm. While in the case of front end, you require the creativity, the color combinations, the contrast, saturations, yes, all the creative stuff. So you have to be imaginary for that. Projects includes modules just like user authorization, mailing services, payments, etc. So a learner just like me or an intern will be able to build just such a large scale projects and work on the further journey. Thank you.